Hi, today we're looking at the open-ended question type in Mentimeter and how you can use it to plan, workshop, and brainstorm with your team. So here I am logged into my account, and I'm going to go ahead and click on New Menti. This takes us to the Menti editor. And here you can always start with AI if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and click on New Slide up in the left corner. And here I'm choosing the open-ended slide type. Now, the open-ended slide allows you to ask a question, and then your audience can submit using free text responses. To add your question, I'm going to click here in the middle and type it out. And here I'm asking, what do you want to discuss during today's meeting? Now, this might seem like a simple question, but the impact is huge, especially if we turn on voting, which allows participants to rank their favorite input. So to do that, I'm going to go to the right side here, and I'm going to toggle Vote on Responses. You can choose how many votes you like. For this one, we might do 2. And that's it. Now we're ready to go. And once your meeting starts, you're going to go ahead and click on Start Presentation. And this takes us to the presentation view. And here we can see our question as well as the QR code that participants use to join the Menti. And yeah, here comes our audience. All they need to do is scan that code, and then they can start adding agenda items to our meeting. And here we can see the agenda items coming in one by one. And once you're ready to vote, you simply click Next Slide, and the participants will be able to rank their favorites. Remember, we had 2 votes here. And once the voting is done, you just click Next, and here we have our agenda. And that's it. Again, a very simple but effective way to include your entire team, whether they're in the room here or if you're sharing this presentation in an online meeting. That's it for today. Good luck with your next Menti.